Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Mahfuzur Rahman, ID 2033533137. Today I'm talking about the one-time pad cipher. So what is one-time pad cipher? This is a cipher where we can encrypt and decrypt our plain text to protect the text confidentiality and integrity to our another person. And these is as usual are all the cipher, but the difference is in this cipher we only take our key as a word or a sentence, not any number or anything. So we only can take the key, and our key length must be equal to our plain text or greater. So if it is short, then we repeat our key one more time to cover the our text. That is one time pad, sir. So let's make a code to work the one time pad. Before it run, before I explain this, let's look at the example how it works. Here we have to take a text like I type my name Mahfuz into the text, and we want to put a key. So I put daffodil as a key. Then I have to choose is I will I encrypt or decrypt. First I just encrypt the text. So so the cipher text is this. I copy this, and now I again run the program, and again I have paste our last cipher text which I got from the last run. And our key must be same for getting our plain text, our cipher text to transform the original text. So our key was daffodil. I put daffodil, and then I have to again choose will I encrypt or decrypt. As this is a encrypted key, so I must decrypt to get the original text. So I press 2, and yes, I got my original plain text which was Mahfuz, and I got here is Mahfuz. Here is Mahfuz, and our original text was Mahfuz. So that's the our encryption and decryption process of one-time pad is work. So now understand how this code works. So first I just import our math and string, and then take a alphabet variable. This actually list where I put all the alphabet from the string library and make it as a list. And before we know that our index is start from 0, and I want that our index is start from a. That's mean our a is not equal to 0, it must be 1. So I put an hash before all the alphabet. Next, I take a text from the user, as you saw in the first step when I encrypt. I take the original plain text Mahfuz. So here user take the text, and if there is any space, I just remove that space. And in the uh, uh, 9 and 10, I took the key from the user. Same, if there is any space, I remove the space. And then I give user a choice, either you decrypt or encrypt. So if encrypt 1 or decrypt 2. So then I find the length of our text and key. Why? Because if our text length is less than the key, it's no problem, good. But if our text length is higher than our key, that means our key is shortest. So in this uh, uh, time, our key must be equal to our text. So what I do, I just difference between the length of text and length of key, and divided this by the length of key, and take the integer number, and that times what the integer number comes, that times I just addition the key in the key variable. Then in the line 23 and 24, I take to empty list. Why empty list? Because I resemble all our plain text and key into a single letter and put that into the this list. And that's line I did in 26 and 28, where I run two loops to resemble this and put this in our list. Then if user give choice 1, then what I did, I just take summation our sum our text each alphabet and key each alphabet position, uh, and sum up these. And how many times we run this, we run this with our length text length time, because we just encrypt our text length. So if our text length is 7, we run this loop 7 times, and every time we just sum our length of text and our value of text and value of key each alphabet. So after sum all those, I run another loop, a big while another loop into a 34 line, 34 number line, because if our any summation value is greater than 26, so what will happen? Suppose our text letter is Z and our key letter is Y, so there is 50 number comes, which is far greater than uh, our total alphabet length. So if it is greater than 26, we just mod this with 26 and encrypt our uh, plain integer number and keep it in that sum number list. And now I make our ciphertext. What value we got, we just replace that value with our alphabet position, and make the sum up all the value and got our ciphertext in 34 number line. That's the encryption process I illustrate. Now the decryption process, it's actually same, just the reverse process. So where in encryption I sum up all the numbers, now in decryption I just uh, uh, re, subtract the number. So subtracts means our text position minus our key position length, and when subtract we just got our value. And if any value is less than 0, so what we did here, we just add 26 with that value. If it is less than 0, I mean we got a negative number, say then we summation 26 with that negative number, so it will got a positive value. And what positive value it got? Yeah, that was the position of our plain text value. So here we after we got our plain text value, we transform this value into alphabet. So here in line number 47 we uh, concatenate all this in the join operation by transform our plain text value into plain text alphabet and got our plain text. And if you not put 1 or 2, that's mean you put a wrong choice. That's one time pad is working. If we look again another things how it's work. So let's put maybe we did something wrong in syntax. uh, let's run again it. Enter a text. Now we put daffodil in here. So our daffodil international, if we put an space university, press enter a key, and if we put an key as ISS, information system security short form, and now I want to encrypt that, press 1. That's our ciphertext. So I got our ciphertext. I copy this and now run this program again to get our plain text. So I paste the ciphertext which I got from our last run. Press enter, enter a key. Our key was ISS. Press, and now I want to decrypt. Will I got our original text or not? So if I do here, I got our plain text. Daffodil. Here is our daffodil. Here is our international, and here is our university. So it's Daffodil International University I got. And as I told that if I put any space between those, it will remove the space automatically, because in one time cipher pad there is no space. That's all from my side, and that's it.